Welcome to this overview of Oracle 23 AI and Autonomous Database Serverless in action. Chapter 1. Oracle 23 AI introduces an intelligent platform that automates routine administration. Chapter 2 focuses on performance with lock-free reservations for busy systems. Chapter 3 highlights JSON relational duality, blending flexibility with database discipline. Chapter 4 brings machine learning directly to your data for faster decisions. Chapter 5 covers cloud object storage integration and tamper-evident blockchain tables. Chapter 6 introduces native vector search, enabling semantic similarity search directly. Chapter 7 boosts developer productivity with native Boolean support and cleaner SQL. Chapter 8 focuses on governance through structured annotations and unified auditing. Chapter 9 builds layered security with SQL firewall and schema-level privileges. Chapter 10 handles complex data with SQL property graphs and reusable domains. Chapter 11 optimizes large-scale data with enhanced partitioning and storage management. Chapter 12 brings JavaScript stored procedures to the database via MLE. Chapter 13 closes with fast ingest and in-memory analytics for real-time scale. Oracle 23 AI is built for the intelligent era. Start your modernization today.